So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So what's up? So today I am going to show you how to use ibispaint X for beginners, and I usually use it just like in this tutorial. So this is my first time doing a video that I do digital art in it. Even though I did speed paints, but that does not count. I mean, speed paints, but that does not count. So let's get started. First thing that you see is a blank canvas. So we're going to get started with the brushes. So here we have some brushes, and here are the custom ones. I have them in my Pinterest account if you want to see them. Anyway, if you want the premium ones, I'm going to show you how. So first off, click this orange button that has a lock, and then make sure your Wi-Fi is on, and then click use for free like this, and then you can use the premium brushes for free like I do, of course. And here you can just lower the opacity, or maybe make it much more darker as you want, and here you can make it bigger, right? And then ibispaint X also has some stamps. You can also make one. You can also make your custom stamp if you want. Well, here are some different types of stamps. Here we have flowers, etc. And you can also find some on Pinterest. I don't make them. You can find them on other accounts. Anyway, here are some stamps, and just like that, and just learn how to find brushes. Next up, we have the erasers. Also, the eraser is also the same thing. You just click on the lock orange icon, and then you just have the all erasers as you want. And now I'm going to show you how to use the Liquify tool. So first click special. So this is the Liquify pen. This drags. Wait, let me just pick an artwork that I have made, because I didn't make this one. For example, this thumbnail for my last video. I'll just click edit. So let me show you how to use the Liquify tool and also other stuff. So for the Liquify tool, this one drags. Oh, wait. Sorry guys, just something is wrong right over here. You know, this one drags. Wait. Oh, probably wait, maybe this one will work. Yeah, this one drags. And this one shrink. This one expand, like make it bigger. And this one make it smooth. Well, I like to make them smooth. And here we have a bucket tool. Wait. Here we have a bucket tool. So guys, I usually do the gap recognition if you don't have closed lines. That's why I use the gap recognition like this. And then if you turned off the gap recognition, it will do it wrong. So that's why I use the gap recognition. Wait, and here we have the smudge tool. It's like every smudge tool in every drawing app. You know, it's smudged. And here we have the blur tool, like every drawing app. And here we have the vector layer. So this vector thing it's quite useful, but you need a vector layer. Let me just pick this one, and then use for a limited time, and you can just like take this one and just like take it at anywhere you want, and then you just drag it as you want, and when you're done, you just remove it. Here we have the eyedropper, where you can pick colors. Well, for me, I usually just pick them like this. I just keep pressing in it, And here you can change the canvas while you're while you're drawing. You can just change the canvas if you want, like this. See? And then just click OK if you're done. Okay. Wow. I don't know, but ibispaint X takes so much time to download a bit. Oh, there we go. And I can also, and there is also a stabilizer if you want. Here I usually pick the stabilizer into 10%, and then I pick after, and then I just pick a brush and it stabilizes. Like for example, take for example this circle. See, it will stabilize itself. And here we just have some shapes. And for the reference image, you just pick this reference window, right? And then there you go. You just got a reference image. And if you want a new add reference, a new reference, just click into add reference. Or if you want a reference from your own drawing, just click remove reference. Yeah, click OK. Oh, sorry guys. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys here. For example, pixelized, you will see pixels when you zoom in, and when you click smooth, it will be smooth. Well, I usually use smooth because smooth is smooth. Well, that's basically the same thing. And here, if you want to copy or to paste or to just cut the whole thing, you can just do it. And here I have some nice tracing sketches. I don't really use them, but I like to use the backgrounds. For example, like for example this drawing. You see right over here. So now I am going to show you how to what's it called? The filters. Wait. Yeah, whatever. Anyway, here are some filters right over here. Yeah, you know. Oops, this is yeah, like this. I don't know when you're done, you just click OK. I'm going to show you right now how to import a picture in your drawing. So first thing, go to the layers and just click import picture. And then you can just import one like this, like this, and then I'm going to show you how to make a color palette. So wait. You can, for example, take a color and then use it, and then you just go to the palette and you will find it here. And then I'm going to scroll down, and I'm just going to put it wherever I want. And if I want to delete it, I'll just go delete it. And now I'm going to show you how to scan the QR codes. Okay, so now if you want to learn how to scan a QR code, let's start with the brushes first. Go to a brush and then click these three dots and then click import, and then you just click the brush you want and just click done, and then you just found the brush. And it's basically just like I use for free, and then you can just use it just like you saw on Pinterest. And the same thing for the color palettes. Just click these three dots and then click on import QR code, and then you just click into the photo that you're gonna use, Oh wait, sorry guys, I just need to fix something. Okay, so guys, it didn't work for me. Okay, so you just click import QR code and you just find it. So lastly, you can put the canvas. No wait, wrong. You can just flip the canvas, flip them, and here you can just invert the colors. And here you can delete the layers. I just don't want to delete it. Let me give you another example. For example, I want to delete this one. And also, you can also rename it. For example, this one, I will just click the three dots and click rename layer. And then I'm just going to rename it as I want. I'm going to name it line art, I don't know, anywhere like this. And lastly, I want to show you guys how to change the type of the layer. So you just click on this button and then just color, like, or you can just click what you want. Wait, sorry, wait, I'm kind of struggling right over here. You just click normal and maybe you can just change the colors as you want. You can do soft light, hard light, etc. I just click normal. And also, let me show you something that might help you. For example, I will just pick a new layer. Wait, sorry guys, I have to do a bit of process. Wait, oh no, why? Let me just fill it like this. Okay, I'm kind of struggling right now. I just want to color it, but I can't. Anyway, for example, take for example as this is a blank paper, right? I mean blank canvas. I will pick some grays here. For example, this gray, and this gray, right? And then you will add a new layer, and then I will just click here, multiply. Wait, no, sorry guys, right? And then you will take a bright red, wait, sorry. We'll just put it right over here, and you can change it as you want. Wait, I mean, you can just multiply it like this, as you see right here. Sorry guys. And also you can also do overlay. Wait, I'm looking for overlay. There we go. You can overlay this like this. Yeah, you know. And that's all for now. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. And see you in the next week. I hope you are all having a great day or a great night. So bye guys. See you next time.